Hey, I'm Ryan Myers of Safe Home Test Kits. Today I want to talk to you about how to use our test kits in order to guarantee filter performance for your clients and lock in more maintenance contracts. As you guys know, a filter's performance degrades over time. So your clients never have any idea how well their filtration system is actually working. That's where our test kits come into play. Every time you set up a maintenance contract, make sure that your clients receive one of our test kits as well as a regular testing schedule. And then you instruct them to contact you every time their water quality falls below a certain level. As you can imagine, this creates some serious trust between your client and your brand. You are giving them actionable, real data that they can use to see how well the filtration system that you've designed for them is actually working. So, if you want to make water testing your best service upsell, contact us today. Shoot us an email, give us a call, and let's start making Safe Home Test Kits part of your service contracts today.